inquiry itself is, I mean, for a lack of a better term, really stupid, no? Because we all know that heads of agencies are ultimately and primarily accountable for public funds allocated to their office. So yung tanong mismo is walang kwenta, no? So let's begin with that. But also, ang pinapatunayan natin dito sa impeachment trial is there was a misuse of confidential funds. No? So, the details of that, how it was misspent, it's only secondary. Ang kailangan mapatunayan is meron ngang misuse of the confidential funds. And COA, being our state auditor, is the agency or the person who can tell us with authority if there was indeed a misuse of confidential funds. And they have done that through the testimonies of the auditors. So, siguro you can say nga na the testimony of Acosta makes it clearer na talagang the buck stops at the Vice President, no? Na siya talaga ang nagturo na gastusin yon or i-allocate yon kung saan man. But that's really secondary. Kasi sa impeachment, ang kailangan natin patunayan with clear and convincing evidence that there was a misuse of confidential funds by the OVP, by the Vice President, and the DepEd when she was DepEd Secretary. And I believe, as a former litigator, that was established already by clear and convincing evidence in the form of the testimonies of the two auditors from COA.